Bàbá ẹ wà.
Gbọ́dọ̀ alákùnrin, ìwọ ò níṣẹ́ tí ẹ ní. Wá kọ̀ wá ni.
Bàbá ẹ wà. Bàbá kí lẹ jẹ? Bàbá ẹ lọ mójútó ara yín o.
Mama ti pè. Hello, how are you? See, I'm so sorry. I will not be able to come to that party again. See, I'm not feeling well. Suffering with severe stomach pain. Like seriously. See, I don't know what I ate since yesterday. I just pollute up and down. And I don't want to come then and scatter the party. See, you will understand. Shebi, it's my pikin birthday, abi. It's my son's birthday. OG Smith. Don't worry. Make I pray for him, abi. Okay. OG Smith. Agbawo na God lotto. I pray for you as you are clock another year today. More blessing, more money, more favor shall be great in life. See, calm down. I'm telling you the truth. I cannot make it. Like seriously, as a day now, my stomach is upset. I'm suffering for loose motion. Hello?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.